Samsung has expanded its mid-range smartphone lineup with the launch of the Galaxy A56 5G, A36 5G, and a 26 5G. These new models introduce AI-powered features, making advanced technology more affordable. With AI playing a bigger role in everyday use, Samsung aims to offer a smarter and more user-friendly experience in budget-friendly devices. The concept behind these new AI features is what Samsung calls awesome intelligence. This technology helps users complete tasks more efficiently, whether it's enhancing search capabilities or improving photography. Many of these AI tools were previously limited to premium flagship devices, but Samsung is now bringing them to a wider audience. One standout AI feature is Circle to Search, which allows users to look up information simply by circling text or images on their screen. This tool can recognize phone numbers, email addresses, and website links instantly. Another AI-powered function can identify songs playing in the background, helping users discover new music effortlessly. Photography has also been upgraded across all three models. Each phone is equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera, ensuring high-quality images. The Galaxy A56 5G and A36 5G support 10-bit HDR recording for improved video clarity. Additionally, the A56 5G includes a Best Face feature, which selects the most flattering expressions from multiple shots to create the perfect group photo. Night photography has also been enhanced with low noise mode, helping users capture clearer images in low light conditions. Photo editing is more convenient with new AI-powered tools. The Object Eraser feature allows users to remove unwanted objects from their pictures with a single tap. The Filters tool enables users to customize their images by applying effects and colors from other photos, making editing more intuitive. In terms of durability and software support, Samsung ensures these phones will stay updated for years. The A56 5G and A36 5G will receive 6 years of Android OS and security updates, extending their lifespan. Both models come with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED displays, offering bright and vibrant visuals, even in outdoor settings. They also support 45-watt fast charging, allowing for quicker battery replenishment. Each phone is powered by a different processor, optimizing performance for different user needs. The A56 5G features Samsung's Exynos 1580 chipset, while the A36 5G runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. Security has also been improved with Knox Vault, which adds an extra layer of protection against cyber threats. When it comes to pricing and color options, Samsung offers a variety of choices. The Galaxy A56 5G starts at $499.99 and is available in light gray, graphite, olive, and pink. It includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 5-megapixel macro sensor, and a 12-megapixel front camera with 10-bit HDR. It has 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. The Galaxy A36 5G is priced at $399.99 and comes in black, lavender, and an exclusive lime color available at Best Buy. It features a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel front camera. It is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset and includes 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. For those looking for a more affordable option, the Galaxy A26 5G is available at $299.99 in black. It has a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 2-megapixel macro sensor, and a 13-megapixel front camera. It comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Samsung's latest mid-range smartphones deliver a balance of AI features, enhanced cameras, and long-term software support. With these improvements, users can experience high-end technology without stretching their budget. These phones prove that advanced features and smart functionality are no longer limited to premium devices. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.